Welcome, everyone. This is the introductory course on direct-to-consumer D2C in Salesforce Commerce Cloud. In this course, we will take a quick look at what Salesforce offers for D2C. It will be a short course, no more than a couple of hours, where we will go over what direct-to-consumer is and how easy it is to set up an online store. As always, you will have additional documentation available if you want to dive deeper into the topics. However, we will cover the most important aspects step by step in each session. What is direct-to-consumer? D2C is a new solution from Salesforce designed for customers who are already using Salesforce CRM or other Salesforce clouds, such as Service Cloud, Marketing Cloud, or Data Cloud. It is mainly aimed at businesses that manufacture and sell their own products, rather than retailers who sell multiple brands. This is the key difference between B2C, business to consumer, and D2C, direct to consumer. In B2C, companies sell multiple brands. In D2C, companies sell their own brands. Why is Salesforce investing in D2C? Salesforce already has a 360-degree ecosystem where all business data, customers, cases, leads, and more are connected in one platform. Now, they have integrated commerce into this ecosystem, allowing businesses to sell their own products seamlessly. This is not entirely new. Salesforce already had B2B commerce, but they have redesigned the interface, added new features, and optimized the experience to fit the D2C model. What will we do in this course? We will start from scratch with an empty Salesforce instance and set up a D2C store step by step. We will configure the store. We will add products. We will set up promotions. We will create different buyer groups. We will go through the shopping process to see how it all works. By the end of the course, you will understand how to build a D2C store with Salesforce Commerce Cloud and the potential business opportunities it offers. There is a growing market for D2C, and Salesforce believes it will be an important part of the future of e-commerce. I will also share a link with market expectations and insights so you can see the business potential in this space. Let's get started.